Welcome to the first video tutorial in a series of video tutorials where I'm going to help you to not only become an owner of CloudCoin, but also a user of CloudCoin. CloudCoin is the next generation of digital currency. And what we're going to do first is actually download and install a VPN. The reason being is that there are some exchanges, Bitcoin.com exchange, for example, that will not allow those that are located in the United States to access their exchange without a VPN. So if you are not located in the United States, you don't need to worry about downloading or installing a VPN, and you can go ahead and just skip to the next video. But for those that are located in the United States, let's go ahead and navigate to Proton VPN. And we'll click this link here. And let's click on Get Proton VPN now. And there are several VPNs out there. This one actually has a free version, so that's what we're going to go for here. So let's hit Get Free, and then it's going to ask us to create an account. So let's create a username and then a password, and confirm password, and an email address. Okay, and then we're going to hit create account. It's going to want to verify us. Looks like we've already got selected email address, and so I will go ahead and just click send there. And now I need to check my email, and I'm going to do that on my phone actually. And it looks like I've got the code here, 088744. I'll click verify. And now we can select the type of operating system that we're using. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to hit download on Windows. And look at that. We'll hit download for Windows one more time. And I'm going to hit keep because I trust this application. I'll go ahead and click on it. And I'll say yes. And let's install. Next, next, and next. And install. I'll hit run. I will hit no on this. And there we go. Let's finish. And then we need to type in the username that we created, as well as the password. And you can choose to toggle this on or off. If you toggle it on, every time you start Windows, the VPN will automatically be enabled. I'm going to disable it for now, but you might want to keep it on. I will log in. And I'll hit skip on this. And you'll notice here on the left side that we have quite a few options to choose from. What we're doing here is we want to choose a server to connect to. We need to select one that is located outside the United States. So I'll just go with the first one. Let's connect with Argentina. And once that is done, it looks like it's done, we are all ready to go. I can minimize this, and I think we're all ready for the next video. See you then.